If you're developing a carbon offset project, maybe a reforestation site, a clean energy system, or a regenerative agriculture plan, getting it officially registered and accredited is key. Why? Because registration and accreditation allow you to issue verified carbon credits, which can be sold, traded, or retired by businesses aiming to reduce their net emissions. But the process isn't as simple as uploading a few pictures and calling it a day. Here's what's really involved in registering and accrediting a carbon offset project. Step 1. Select the right carbon standard. This is the organization that will certify your project and issue your carbon credits. Popular options include Verra, Verified Carbon Standard, Gold Standard, American Carbon Registry, ACR, Plan Vivo, or Climate Action Reserve, depending on your location and project type. Each standard has its own rules, methodologies, and documentation processes. Step 2. Define your project type and methodology. Your project might involve planting trees, reforestation, protecting existing forests, REDD+, installing solar panels, capturing methane from landfills, improving farming practices. You'll need to use an approved methodology, a scientifically tested way to calculate how much CO2 your project reduces or removes over time. Step 3. Prepare your project design document, PDD. This document outlines what your project does, its carbon reduction potential, the baseline scenario, what would happen without your project, a monitoring plan, stakeholder engagement processes, environmental and social safeguards. It's the core of your submission and must be clear, accurate, and backed by evidence. Step 4. Get third-party validation. An independent accredited verifier will review your PDD, inspect your site, in many cases, and check your calculations. If it passes validation, you move on to the next step. Step 5. Register the project with your chosen standard. Once validated, your project is officially listed on the standard's public registry. This increases credibility and opens the door to credit issuance. Step 6. Monitor, report, and verify results. After you start operations, you must collect performance data, like tree growth, energy production, or methane captured, over 1 to 2 years. This is submitted in a monitoring report and verified by a third party. Step 7. Issuance of carbon credits. If your verification is successful, the standard issues your credits, each representing 1 metric ton of CO2 avoided or removed. These can now be sold or retired. At 24 Carbon, we help guide project developers through the entire accreditation journey. From selecting the right methodology to preparing documentation, managing verifications, and tracking your credits, we simplify a complex process so you can focus on impact. Yes, the process takes time, often 6 to 18 months, but the outcome is worth it. You gain access to carbon markets, build trust with buyers, and make a real measurable difference in the fight against climate change. If you have a project, or even just an idea, and want to turn it into a certified carbon offset initiative, get in touch with 24 Carbon. We'll help you bring it to life, the right way.